You should have received your kit, and I'm going to start by dismantling my project. This is kind of comes in a split circle. And I'm going to start with the base to the right. I'm going to do chocolate, which is our brown. And I did add some water just to make it a little thinner, and then wiped it back with a baby wipe. I'm going to hit the cross, and it's just easier if I hit the drape of the fabric. Then the left side of the circle, I'm going to paint in Snow Owl, which is our white. This will probably need 2 coats. I did a little dusting of the white around the edge of the chocolate and on the cross. I mixed red and blue together to make purple, and I did it on the cloth sash on the bottom of the cross and the little half moon portion of the sash. And then I added some white through that fabric and then added red to the heart. Then I'm going to take that purple and I'm going to run it down that piece of trim. Then I'm going to do white on all the letters. He is risen. And then I'm going to take whatever white is left on that and go down the trim and get a little dusting of that white. You want very little paint on your dabber when you do that. I'm going to use Joshua Tree on the greeneries. And now you're ready to glue. So I'm going to run glue along that lace portion and add my trim. Then I'm going to lay my unpainted portion of the circle. And I'm going to run some glue along the little lip of the painted chocolate portion, the right side, and then cover the unpainted portion in glue and lay it together. Your cutout does not have the holes, so you don't have to worry about lining them up. You're going to still see the scoring where you're going to lay your cross, so you're going to lay your cross down and glue that. And then I'm going to add that fabric swag. And then add my little red heart. And I'm just using crazy glue. You can get this right at the Dollar Tree or on Amazon. I'm going to dust my greeneries with a little bit of white around the edges. You're going to see the scoring for the word risen. I'm going to add some glue there. You don't need tons of glue. And then I'm going to add the glue for the H and the E. And then the I and the S. You can place your greenery wherever you feel. I kind of did mine closer to the outer portion of my circle. There is no scoring for that, so you can kind of put them where you wish. I added my greenery. And then I'm going to take a white marker and add some lines. I'm going to do it in the cloth, put some lines on my wooden cross. Now you're going to take your hanger and you're going to glue these 2 pieces together. And then you're going to glue it down to the back of your circle, and then you can add wire or jute through those holes. Thank you for your purchase.